Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here for sale today. This one is going to be a 1998 Johnson 50 horse. Two-stroke, 20-inch. This one is remote. Came back with 150 PSI on both cylinders. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and the fuel system has been cleaned. It will come with this standard side mount control box. Go ahead and get this fired up here. Turn the fan on. A little bit colder here this morning. Give it a minute to warm up here. Pumping good water. Go ahead and put it forward. They do struggle and tank a little bit just because of the back pressure of such a short tank. Reverse, back to neutral. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. Good running little engine. If you're interested in it, you can either give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.